Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Till that point, Bani Umayyad thought this rebellious action against the government was limited to Iran, but a spy told them that it's related to Ibrahim bin Abbas. In result, Ibrahim was imprisoned and killed later. Then his feeble-minded people ran with Bani Abbas to Abu Salma in Iraq. When Abu Muslim Khurasani came to know about this, he sent a battalion towards Iraq for the liberation and got succeeded. Abu Salma had faith in Bani Fatima, so he wrote some letter to the nobles of Bani Fatima and invite them to accept the caliphate. One of the letter was for Imam Jafar Sadiq. This type of opportunity for dominion rule in the political world is considered to be a gift. But he was an exemplary figure of self-respect and eschew, who downtrodden this opportunity, and instead of replying he put the letter on fire in his contempt. Here in Kufa, followers of Abu Muslim Khurasani and fleers of Bani Abbas took an oath of allegiance on the hands of Abdullah Sufa on 14 Rabi'a Sani 132 AH and accepted Abdullah as a caliph. After dominion rule on Iraq, they attacked on Damascus. Marwan fought with huge army, but he lost the battle. Then fled from the battle and get killed on the lands of Africa. After that, Sufa massacres Bani Umayyad, ordered the grave digging of Saraya. Bani Umayyad behaved fearsome with their corpse, like that revenge of nature which was necessary to take from those merciless was taken by Bani Abbas and witnessed by world. On 163 AH, Abu Abdullah Sufa, the first caliph of Muslim from Bani Abbas, died, and after him his brother Abu Ja'far Mansur, who is also popular with the name Mansur Dawanki, inherited the throne. It has been mentioned before that Bani Abbas took the advantage of compassion people had for Bani Fatima and mislead the people by telling them that Bani Abbas has been taken stand to protect the rights of Bani Fatima and make slogans of it for battles. That is why after they came into power they were afraid that the truth might come before the people and the rulership will be transferred to Bani Fatima. Abu Salma had compassion for Bani Fatima, so they were concerned about this matter, so they take him out of the way in spite of all the favors he did to Bani Abbas. In the era of the Sufa he was killed by violence. Abu Muslim Khurasani had effect in Iran, but Mansur cleverly ended his life as well. Now he was feeling relieved as there were none to stop or go against him, so his mercilessness turned towards Bani Fatima. Maulana Shibli quoted in his book Sirat-e-Nomani, just on the basis of prejudice, Mansur started extermination of Sadat-e-Alavi. Those who were the nobles in them were targeted of his mercilessness. Muhammad ibn Ibrahim, who had handsome personality, was walled up alive. There are many tales of these mercilessness which required a hard heart. These circumstances made huge impact on Imam Jafar. When Bani Hassan was chained and were taken to Medina, Imam hid behind a wall to see all this. He was saying these words while crying, "It's said that Medina is not in peace anymore." After that he regret on the situation of the children of Ansar and thought that the Ansar gave invitation to Prophet Muhammad on the basis of the promise that they will protect Prophet Muhammad and his children just like we protect our life. But today Ansar's family is helpless. Afterwards he came back to home and got sick for 20 days. In the prisoners there were one of Imam Hassan's grandchildren. Abdullah Maaz was kept in prison for a long time, and his son Muhammad Nafs-e-Zakiya fought against government and on 145 AH got martyred by one of an enemy near Medina. The head of the young son has been given to old father in the dungeons. Abdullah Maaz wasn't able to recover this trauma and died in the prison. His other son, who was in a battle against Mansur, got martyred in Kufa. Abbas ibn Hassan, Umar ibn Hassan, A. Muzana, Ali Abdullah and children of Nafsi Zakiya, Mosa, and Yahya, brothers of Nafsi Zakiya, were martyred the same way. Many of Sayyid's were walled up alive.